Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet these arm warmers. This project is so quick to do and it's very easy project, so it's perfect for the beginners. For this project I use one skein of Soave Luxe from Mondial. You can find more information in the description box. And I use one skein of Yes, this beautiful eyelash yarn from Mondial too. And I use a 4.5 millimeters hook. Okay, first you need to take the measurement of the arm, not the wrist, which is usually smaller. So now we are going to chain 30 and close it in round. Here's a little trick to keeping your chains from twisting when working in round. We do the first 10 chains. Then insert your hook into the first chain in this loop behind and keep it on your hook. And now we chain 20. Once completed, we pull your hook through the first and your chain will lay correctly. Now chain 3 and this counts as your first double crochet for this first round. Then we do 1 double crochet in each chain all the way along. Now join with a slip stitch into the third chain. Now we do chain 1, then we do 1 double crochet in the same stitch, then we do 1 double crochet in each of the next stitches all the way around. I prefer to place a marker into the first double crochet here and continue to do 1 double crochet into the next stitches. Remove the marker and join using a slip stitch into the first double crochet. And now we are going to repeat this last round. So chain 1, then we do 1 double crochet in the same stitch, then we do 1 double crochet into the next stitches. At this point, we change the yarn, so insert the hook into the first double crochet, then grab the eyelash yarn, pull up a loop, cut the yarn, soave looks, then tie the yarn together with a knot. Leave a tail long enough to weave it later. And now we are going to repeat this last round. So chain 1, then we do 1 double crochet in the same stitch, then we do 1 double crochet in each stitch. Remember to place a marker into the very first double crochet. Now we are going to change the yarn once again, as we did before. And what we have to do now is to do 2 rounds of double crochet with Soave Lux yarn. So chain 1, then we do 1 double crochet in the same stitch, then we do 1 double crochets in the next stitches. At the end of this second round, we change the yarn as we did before. So we take the eyelash yarn, yes. We tie the 2 yarns together with a knot. And now we are going to repeat this last round. So what we have to do now is to continue to do this until we reach the height about 23 centimeters or 9 inches. We will have a total of 6 strips of eyelash yarn, and you have to finish with 2 rounds of double crochets. Okay, now my arm warmer is about 23 centimeters long. So now chain 1, then we do 1 single crochet in the same stitch, then we do 1 single crochet into the next stitches all the way around to create a nice finish. Join with a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Now we cut the yarn, and now I want to show you how the arms warmers look. Of course, you will make another one. So now grab your tapestry needles, then weave all the tails inside the garment. And now our project is done and ready to wear. These arm warmers are very warm, very soft and very quick to do, so I love it. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your arm warmers. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao e tanto love!